Morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Vijay Bhandari. So let's start with the UML class, use case and sequence. I will tell you about the UML overview and I will cover it. So, use case diagram is a system space, and it provides representations of user interacts with the systems. Okay, so example, it serves as a blueprint for understanding the function requirement of system from a user in the communications between stakeholders and guiding. So you can see in our real scenario where we can interact with the visually elements, right? So here I will tell you about the unified modeling language, like represents the interaction in the actors, users, or external and a system under considerations, completes specific goals, provides a high-level view of functionality, fitting various ways user can interact. So there are different kind of use case diagram notice. In next slides, I will cover those. The UML notations provides a visual language that enables software developers, designers, architectures, and other stakeholders communicate and document system designs and behaviors in consistent and understandable manners. So here we will, I will show you some things like the actors. So here I drawing the actors. This is the actor who acts and an act, right? Who can act? Actors means that is external entity that interacts with the system. So actor can be any external entities. So these can include users, other systems, or hardware devices. In the context of use case diagrams, actors initiate use cases and receive the so that is the proper identifications and understanding of the actors is crucial for accurately modeling system behaviors. Any doubt? If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. In next slide, UML diagram. So UML diagrams use cases, various diagrams like different software systems, as I already told you. So these diagrams represent the structure of the systems, classes, and objects, their relationships, its behaviors, interactions, workflows, when it's deployment on the hardware. So in a use case diagrams, relations plays a crucial role in the relations between actors and use case. So these relationships provides a comprehensive view of the system's functionality and its various scenarios. So, for example, let's dive into the key types of relationships. For example, let's create uses. So, as an associations relationship, right? The association relationships like I have already told you, like this is the actor, and it will connect to the other end, transferring the fund. So that is the customer. That can be a customer, right? As I already told you, can be a external entity. But is sending the money in or transferring the line connecting the customers to the transfer fund. This is a use case that is indicating the customer's involvement in the fund transfer process. Now is it clear to everyone? So here will be actor is the customer and use case is a transfer funds and third is associations. Association will be a line connecting the customer and transfer of funds. Is it clear to everyone? Is this? That is the example which I have. You have any doubts, you can ask. Benefits of the using benefits of the using UML. The UML diagram provides a clear and concise way to communicate complex software concepts to both technical and non-technical stakeholders. Enhanced designs. It involves like it helps visualize the design of a system before coding begins. For each identifications, potential issues, facilitating facilitating better designing choices, okay, effective documentations. So UML diagram serves a valuable documentation throughout the software. Now, next slide. The UML class diagram. Here, I will tell you about the relationships between the actors and the most common UML diagrams, right? So here you can see class name and like attributes A, method would be, and it is the calling by the method A, calling by method B to attribute B, right? So here it looks like a object calling and by the methods, right? So here you can see the UML class. Now use cases diagram. In case of use cases diagram, it illustrates the interactions between the actors, maybe users and the system affecting functionality. You can see here in this diagram, there is a site users, webmasters, search docs, house, events, logins, load docs, events, home page, add users, browse docs, search docs. So these are the like interaction between the actors and system affecting the functionalities. So it will download docs, it will include the search, review docs, it will include host doc, manage folders will include upload docs, add companies will add users. So this is the use case diagram. That is the example of use case. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. So let's to other slide. Sequential diagram. So it focus on the sequence of massage changed between the objects, okay, to comply specific. So it will be the user and devices and data. Okay, so first user will open the applications and access the web, and then it will be the get the show, and then it will and then display the modes, and it will goes to the playlist. Different kind of the are there, events are there. After this, you can see a displaying modes like it will be parallel retrieving the modes, music and related. So this will be in a sequence here. So it will focus on the sequence of messages exchanged between the objects to complete a specific. Where you can see this is example of user, device, and data. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me. This is the very simple example of sequential diagrams. Right? Now, here I conclude the lecture. So first we see the UML diagrams. UML, what UML, overview UML, what are the benefits of the UML, actor, what is the system, how it is interacting between the actor and systems. As we have seen use cases diagrams, sequence diagrams. The unified modeling language has established itself as a cornerstone of software development. By providing a standardized visual languages, UL fosters clear communications, promotes and systems, and the simplified diagrams and documentations. UML empowers software development teams by communications, promoting design, and simplifying. By incorporating UML into your software development, significantly increase of success for your projects. Remember, UML is a powerful tool, and like any language, and the more you practice, more effective it becomes. What I am giving you a one use case, a case study, and please do it now in an online class. So UML class diagram of employee bias. Whatever I have given you, like UML case diagram, class diagram, sequence diagram, use cases diagram, try to incorporate these and design the. Right? Thank you. Thank you so much.